Here is how to turn your logo into an extruded 3D object in DaVinci Resolve. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is to add an S ellipse node so we can create that extruded 3D look. So shift space S ellipse, sit right here, we add it, we take it up, let's drag this down. So here's our S ellipse, and then we're going to connect it to an extrude node. So control space extrude. Okay, so these are the ones we're going to use to add the 3D to the logo. So since we've connected the extrude node to the ellipse, we have this circle. So to add extrusion to this, we'll click on the extrude node and would increase the extrusion style to about 0.331. I think this is okay. So you can see now that it has a little depth. We don't need to be too extruded, so I think this is okay. So now that we've done that, we can now add our logo. This is our logo. We'll drag it right here. We're going to put it on top of the extrude 3D, connect it to the extrude 3D so that the logo reflects the extrusion, right? And as you can see, it doesn't really look like an extruded logo. Instead, it looks like two flat logos, right? And this is because the edges of this logo is not touching the edge of the ellipse, right? So it's like the logo is smaller than the ellipse that we created, so it's not really covering or having this 3D effect. So we'll have to add this transform. What this transform does is going to help us increase the size of this logo. The inspector will come to size, increase the size a little, and as we increase the size, wait, let me zoom in a little so we can see what we are doing. Yeah, okay. Now as we increase the size, you notice this space, right? This space here is going to start covering up, because it's going to touch the edges of the ellipse. You see that? It's going to start covering up. Yeah. So now I think at this point, the logo is now fully extruded. It now looks like a truly extruded logo. Yeah, check this out.